everybody. I'm Greg Stock. I'm the CEO of Thibodaux Regional Health System. It's a pleasure today to be with you with Dr. Deepak Awasthi, neurosurgeon. And neurosurgeons, I think, they don't have a poll or anything to verify this, but most people equate that with head surgery.
Yes.
And yes, you're trained to do all the skull-based type of surgery,
yes.
Trauma, tumor removal for cancer, all of that, correct?
Yes.
But as a matter of fact, neurosurgeons are also very much educated to do spine surgery.
Absolutely.
You want to talk about that?
Yes. Neurosurgeons, their training involves dealing with diseases and surgical management of brain as well as spine and nerves as well. But the majority of the work that is done by neurosurgeons is actually spine surgery. We are trained completely in doing everything from the base of the skull, spine, to the lower part of the spine. There's been various innovations that have taken place in spine surgery, which we have actually been in the forefront for. One of the innovations has been the use of very small devices to do fusions of the spine that are done as an outpatient. You go home the same day. And we actually presented the results of our patients in international meetings and national meetings of the excellent results that we've had with this fusion technique, which is, again, an outpatient fusion technique, very small incisions, and you go home same day with great results. We also do have, over the years, another innovative thing, which is now done throughout the world, which we've actually taught other places in the world, is artificial discs. We have the ability at Thibodaux Hospital now to do artificial discs in the neck, again, with excellent results so far in the patients that we have done the artificial disc. It obviates the need for fusion operations. You don't have to do a fusion when you do an artificial disc, which helps in the long run because then you don't have adjacent level problems, which I've seen because I've been practicing for nearly 30 years now. I've seen my patients come back with adjacent level problems, other problems in the neck, which lessens with this artificial disc. So yes, and right now I'm actually an examiner for the American Board of Neurological Surgeons, which means I actually give the examination to up-and-coming neurosurgeons to be certified for neurosurgery, so which is a great honor. I mean, this is probably one of the bigger honors that I've had when I was invited to be an examiner for the American Board of Neurological Surgeons. So
yeah, you've been on that cutting edge, that leading edge of neurosurgical procedures and the innovations and advancements made.
That's right.
Reduce pain, reduce recovery time, get
Absolutely.
better functional results from that, and many other benefits that accrue to that. So
that's right. That's all it's all about. It's patient outcome, lessening the pain, and trying to get people back to their lives.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you and your partner, Dr. Lasang, both work with and for Thibodaux Regional, are the only neurosurgeons in this whole region.
That is correct. Yeah, we are, and we emphasize minimal invasive, and we emphasize simplicity. I mean, that's one of the models that I have, which I taught Dr. Lasang when she came to work with us. I told her this one thing you got to remember: you got to keep it simple. Just keep it simple. And because there's people do all kinds of things in the spine and even in the brain, which you really don't need to, because that sometimes can harm patients rather than help them. So we try to keep it simple, try to keep it minimal, try to get the patients home as safely and with less pain as possible, so we can get them back into society and doing the activities of daily life.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Really great. We appreciate having you today, Dr. Deepak Awasthi,
yeah.
neurosurgeon at Thibodaux Regional Health System. Been here a while and done an outstanding job. Thank you.
Thank you.